welcome back to my channel. It's me, Day. So are you excited today? I am. So I'm just coming on here really quick to show you guys my Target haul. I hope you guys like it. I'm definitely excited to show you guys the little things that I got, and yeah, let's get into it. Isn't this robe so cute? I just wanted to come on here and just be cute and dainty and show you guys my products that I got from Target. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video, and let's get into the video. Yeah. I love TikTok, like, oh my goodness, I am obsessed with it, and it's been going around with this mascara, Sky High by Maybelline, and it's so cute. Like, everything is like rose gold. I just checked that out. Everything is like rose gold. That is so funny. But I got this mascara, Sky High by Maybelline. As you guys can see, it's supposed to make your lashes extend longer than what it normally looks like. So I'm definitely excited to try this. I have seen multiple young ladies reviews on this product, and they say that it's really good. I love the results that I've seen, so hopefully I will get the same feel when I'm on a hair growth journey. So I have got some hair products. I've been using this product as far as the brand for years. I absolutely love it. I remember when they just only sold it in Macy's, but now they have made it so convenient where you can get it from your local Walmart, Target, Walgreens, you know, like the local stores that's like normally in people's neighborhoods. So I was happy about that, and I got this hair mask. This is called the Repairing Cocoon Mask. It's for weak and brittle hair. I've been experiencing a lot of hair breakage. My hair is very long and thin. The follicles of my hair strands are really, really thin. I'm seeing a lot of hair breakage, so I love this. It smells amazing, and the consistency is really creamy, very moisturizing. I used some when I got out the shower yesterday, and it was just absolutely amazing after I washed my hair, and I oiled my scalp with this oil. And this is the same brand or same theme as far as the Goddess oil. It goes with the hair mask or cream. It is a 7 oil blend for your hair, scalp oil. I love it. It's the Goddess Strength oil, and it smells so good. So I oiled my scalp with this, and after I like massaged it in really, really good, I put this on top as a coating to seal in the oil. So I used these two, and it was, oh my God, it did wonders to my hair. My hair is literally so soft, and I absolutely love it. I do also use this oil. I got this from Target but some time ago, and this is the Main Choice Serum Oil Mist, and I spray this in my hair as well with this oil, and then I sealed my hair, the oil that's in my hair, with that hair mask cream. So oh my goodness, I'm obsessed. I got some facial mist, witch hazel and rose petal. I prep my face before I do my makeup with this. So after I wash my face and everything, do what I gotta do, and then I spray this as a mist, and you know, like air it out with a fan, and then I go in with my primer and everything. So I use this set up for my primer. So I love it. Got some mineral cleaning water. I use this to remove my makeup. So this is really good. This is also rose water and glycerin. Glycerin is really, really good and hydrating for the skin. And also rose, I love the scent of it, but it's also vitamins and things that's in rose that's good for your skin as well, and also help with aging too. So I love this. I've tried all the other ones, like the cucumber one or the natural scent, so I haven't tried this rose, so I'm excited to try this. These products for some time. You guys already know I do wig reviews. I love wigs. I love switching up, and just switching up things, from time to time. So I always use this here, the Got2b spray, or the one in the pink can. I always wanted to try this brand here. So I got it. I love doing wigs. I love switching them up. And with the adhesive that I use, is normally sprays or different gels and stuff that's really not made for wigs. So I would love to try this out and see how it goes. I tried this yesterday when I washed my hair, greased my scalp, to lay just a little bit of my edges, and I was really surprised when it says that it's a wig grip gel. And when the consistency of this product was very like, okay. So as you can see, it's like that, but it's like jelly almost. Like, I don't know if I can explain that, but it's like, you see that? Like, it's almost like a jelly. It's like a gel jelly, if that makes sense. So I was really surprised to even see this type of texture with this. But I guess it would be good with, you know, applying your wig. So I'm excited to try this. I only used a little bit of this to lay down my edges after I like grease my scalp and everything. I'm just wiping my hands. Also, this is the wig grip spray. I love that it has castor oil, so my edges is not like 100% getting dried out. A lot of the sprays that I've showed you prior could be very damaging to the edges because they have alcohol in them. So I hope that this will be more nourishing to my scalp. I also got the wrap set foaming mousse or lotion. I use this for my baby hair. Then I also got the wax stick from this brand as well. And this is to lay down any flyaways. I have seen people try this on their synthetic wigs, so I'm definitely excited to try it on my synthetic wigs and see what it do. See what it do, baby. Last product I got, this is the face moisturizer that I use on my face. I use it to prime my face as well. I don't know if you guys can see that. There we go. So I use this also to moisturize my face and to prep my face with the witch hazel so I can set up to do my makeup. I normally use the moisturizer like this with the cream or like a brown creamy top, and it's more light on my skin. Instead of this moisturizer, this is a daily moisturizer and it feels a bit heavy. This does give me that type of feeling, but I just try to use less of it. I'm gonna just give it a try. I did purchase this before and kind of got it confused when I was at the store, but yeah, one with the light brown top instead of this one here. But I am going to go ahead and use it because that's all that I purchased. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that I informed you with some of these things. Hopefully you would try some of the things or already have. You can give me some pointers in the comments, or if you're going to try them, let me know. So this was just a really quick video. I just want to get back in the groove of posting. So I hope you guys liked this video. This was my haul for Tarjay. Thank you so much for watching my video. You could be anywhere in the world, but you are here watching me, and I deeply appreciate it. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Peace, love, and happiness to you, darling. Yes. Bye.